In progress.
Hello, 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 everybody. So look at this market. Let's see what the news is. We got the ISM services. This is coming up at 7 a.m. The JOLTS job openings. These are pretty significant. The ISM services are a monthly thing. The ISM report on business continues to be consistent and accurate in indicating the direction of the overall economy. In addition to the manufacturing and services sector, the reports are available on the first and third business day of each month. Levels of a diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers, excluding the manufacturing industry. Actual greater than forecast is good for economy. You know, we seen it was greater in November, greater in October, but it was worse in December. And then the other September and August were like no deals because it was the same as expected. Above 50 indicates industry expansion, below indicates contraction. So it's always expansion though. So that's pretty cool. So July it was less than 50, May it was less than 50, and then January of 23. Man, look at these times right here. It was really low. But mostly it's always over 50. See if there's any news on it. These things are so big. People research this stuff and it's crucial for trading. So that's the ISM. And then we got the JOLTS job openings. Number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. And this is a one a month report also. November jobless rates up over the year. 308 and 389 metro areas. Payroll jobs up in 32. Jobless rates were higher in November than a year earlier. And this is right off the government site, U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. And what we see is last month it was really high. Month before it was low, high, low. It's kind of weird. It's like monthly, it's red, green, like Christmas colors. It's been declining. What is Joe's job openings? Job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic health. So this is coming at 7 a.m. So it's like the market's gonna open at 6:30, and then these reports are gonna come out, which are gonna make it very volatile. This is something big right here. The Japanese finance minister issues fresh warning against the weak yen. So it looks like they're gonna pump some money into this. Japan's finance minister issued a fresh warning against speculative yen selling on Tuesday as the Japanese currency sank to a 5-month low. Japanese government has been alarmed by foreign exchange developments, including those driven by speculators, and will take appropriate action against excessive moves. Wow. Let's see. The Japanese looks strong right here, but let's refresh it. It might be. Yeah, it's pretty strong right now. It looks pretty strong. Let's go to the market. Bach got a good sell right here. It was telling us to sell also. Good state in that. There's a couple buys. We can see right here it was in a free fall on Monday. And then started coming back. This on the hour. All right, what's US 30 doing? US 30's been going up. That's on the 5 minutes. And this is what you do when you have the bots. You're looking at different time frames, seeing what's going on. 15 minutes US 30 is going up. And this already is. This thing is telling you to get in right here. It went all the way down here on the next half an hour. Usually going to be in a trade for that candle Basically, when it came out, like one candle or three candles. This is on Monday. It really was crushing it on Monday. And it had that one where it went down for two candles. You could have made money. Let's see. And this is what we've been seeing for days and days. That's all the way back to December 18th when we were setting everything up. In the middle right here. It's been going up, 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 up. Looks like it wants to come down right now, though. That happened at 5. So we got this big candle going up at 5, 4, 3, 2. All these candles in a row. That's 2 o'clock, and then now it's like this candle isn't doing anything. But the candle just started. It has 43 minutes left, so so high. It's like overbought. So one thing that I'm looking at is in the 5 minutes, it's an 100% uptrend, 15, 100%, 30, 100%. And then we start getting into the hour, it's in the middle, downtrend 59%, a little higher downtrend. And then it's in an uptrend in the 4 hours and 100% downtrend in the days. You see it collapse right here. It's very interesting. And we see there's like this resistance right here that it's at. And it's kind of like stop going up. When we do see it hits around this area, yesterday it hit higher, way up here. Right now it's at 42800 and it went all the way up to $300 higher yesterday, but it hasn't really hit that since the 30th. Hmm. That's not the simple trade to trade. We got this downtrend right here on the Bitcoin for the day, and it went down $2,000 already. That was a great trade by the bot. I took this trade by the bot. It said it was going down right here. I took it and it went all the way down here, down here. That was at 96. It went down 4,000 that time. You can see on this one when it said to buy on the day, it went all the way up. It was like 100. It went all the way up, $2,000 there. Here goes another one where it went up. So the day is real good on the Bitcoin trade. You took that trade right there, you would have had a lot of money. Let's see here. And this is a super trend telling us to buy. It did go up a little bit, but I would override that with this sell from the day. And sometimes you need to look at that too. So if it's telling you the bounce strategy, see, this is the bounce strategy right here. You could always tell in the bounce strategy because it'll have like this 3 point or 4 point thing. Also, the super trend you'll see will say EMA bounce. And so I rather take a bounce strategy at any time frame then. And then sometimes you're not going to be able to get the whole page and stuff. See how I zoomed in and then it won't go back to normal. And so when it does something like that, I just erase the chart part, or you could just go to the regular TradingView website like this and then hit products, go to super charts, and then it fixes everything for you. So sometimes I do that. Let's see here. I don't really like US 30 today. Let's see if Nas is a good one. That was a good trade. All these are really good trades. Let's see if we might be able to catch something going on. These are the 100 biggest companies. Like what I'm seeing is everything is mostly outside the Bollinger Band on the time that we're on. Like the short time frames, 5 minutes, 15, 30 minutes on the indices. People are just getting back to trading right now. The markets are really funny around the holidays from right before Christmas to after the first. This is the first like regular day. So people are getting back in. This looks like a good trade right here for gold. It's an EMA bounce. I mean, EMA, yeah. Let's keep on looking. Man, Tesla made, I was just reading something about Elon Musk made like $200 billion since Trump was elected. It's crazy. He made so much money that he was right there next to the second richest man in the world. And now he's like double his money because that guy's only worth like 200 something billion. He made that in like since Trump's election. It's crazy. This looks like a good trade to take down. I'm gonna say sell Euro JPY, and that is at 163,928. 163,928. 163,928. We're looking for a sell on Euro JPY. That's the first trade that looks good, and that's in the 5 minutes. All right, and this right here, this is Euro JPY. See. And you guys remember, go to Liquid Brokers, trader.liquidbrokers.com. It already started going down. Try to get there. It's shooting down. Well, trader.liquid charts. Sorry about that. And right now they're working on an app to trade on, and they're just doing a lot of maintenance. I don't know what's wrong with this. Trader. Liquid charts. Responsible. All right, so where you're going to trade at is liquid charts. So it's trader.liquidcharts.com. And there it is. It's right back to where it was. You could actually made a trade and got back in it. And there's really not too many good ones right now as we speak. And today you just want to you don't want to make a two of a high trade. Just go low on the lot size because the market is starting to warm back up. Let's see if we got anything else we see. Oh, look at this oil. Wow. All right, let's look at US 30. US 30 broke out. It's way outside the Bollinger Band. Just a dangerous trade. We're not going to trade US 30 right now, but let's see what US 30 does when the market opens. It's about to open right now. It already took like a big up. Like everybody wants it to go up. So just because it's outside the Bollinger Band doesn't mean don't take it during the opening bell. Like this could shoot up, maybe up here really quick. Let's see what happens. Okay, the market just opened. It was outside the Bollinger Band. It's coming back down, but be careful because it might go back up real quick. Let's watch what it does. I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't do like a major move. It might kind of come back down to this level and then shoot back up. It might go up here or a little higher and shoot back down really fast. Let's see. We'll monitor that. Hmm? And so, just like we thought with the US 30, it's not really making any major moves. First day back is usually like this. We'll check that out a little bit more. Bitcoin, we got a bot to sell on Bitcoin. It's been going down. That was on the day. Really good trade by the bot. Let's look. Yeah, see how this candle right here is been in for 2 minutes and we don't see anything major movements on the top trades right now. So it's gonna be definitely different tomorrow. Let's see our trade right here. We want a Euro JPY to sell. Let's see what kind of happened here. We see it is going down. It's in red. So we're on profit right now on that trade, but it's not even moving this fast. Let's see here. Let's see if USD JPY is moving a little better. Yeah, that one's moving a little bit more down, but nothing really you can see. Wow, look at Naveed went down. Goodness gracious. When Naveed was supposed to go up, I was reading the news and they were saying it was supposed to go up. That might have been when the news came out yesterday and it went straight up right here, but look at this. I mean, it went down $3 so fast. But you got to think that yesterday it ended right here at 149 and the market started at $4 up. Way outside and it went down. That's Naveed, one of the number one companies right now. Let's look at the stock markets. Tesla started lower, went up. Wow, look at Apple. And I wonder why it started like this. Like it ended yesterday at 244. Uh, Apple did, and then it started out $2 down, 242. Yeah, the stock market is moving. Here we go with the one. We only took one trade and we're winning right now. Good job. Whoever took this trade with me is winning. And so we kept our streak alive. Even on this weird, weird day, we kept our streak alive. Weird, weird day. Look at gold. Gold went up $25 from in 24 hours. That's significant. You see it just the bot was saying buy, 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 buy gold. So you could have hopped on here earlier than us if you're in the East Coast. And we could have bought gold right here at the 15 minutes. And we could have made money off that by just the bot. It's probably the best thing we could have probably did. Look at US 30's not doing anything. It's just like the candle before the opening bell, the 15 minutes did a real big move, and then it got to the opening bell and didn't do anything. The Nas 100 did something, but that doesn't even look like a good trade going down. I mean, if you look, everything's going up right here. This is kind of hitting this area right here. There's major support right here in this area, and it kind of ricocheted off of that. Even this one, it hit the super trend, it hit the EMA and went back up. This is the 500. Yeah, so today's more of like you want to jump back in. The stock market is crazy because people said today they wanted to put a lot of money in the stocks. So people are trading right now. They're trading stocks, but it's like not that big on. And look at Naveed. Naveed opened up so high that it's still in the green, even though it went down so fast. This is a 30. Let's look at the 100. Now let's look at the 500. Now it's just, you can see that it's just a mixed bag today. So be ready, set back up your stuff. What I want you guys to do today is, set up your stuff. And if you didn't do your dream board, just write down your dreams in a journal. I got videos I'm going to put in the back office. Let's look at the back office real quick here. And so that trade is up right now. You might want to get out of the Euro JPY. The one trade we took is winning. I'm going to say send the code to my phone. I just want to take you guys really quick. This is your back office. Switching. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, I don't know why it's. Let me try one more time. 7, 8. That's what I want to be logged in as. I wonder why it's not going here. Let me try one more thing on here. I don't understand why. Add-ons, affiliate portal. Well, I don't know why that's doing that. Let's look and see. Oh, look at the bot just gave us a sale. So look how far it went down. We had it for a sale. It went down here. I actually like to get this sell again. Euro JPY, I would get it one more time when it went up here. I like it still. We should already got our money out of that trade though. Let's see. This is a currency strength meter I'm looking at. And we see the JPY kind of went down a little bit more, euros higher. It's still a good trade to take this going down. Let's see, USD JPY. The JOLTS job stuff is coming up. You can see it right here. It's about to come up. And that's what we were reading. I think some of the people came on a little late, but this is about to come on ISM and the JOLTS. So you might want to be out of here by that time. Because when these things hit at 7 a.m., it's going to really drive the market really fast. That might be another reason why it's not really moving that much right now, is because of that factor that these two news events are going to come out so early. Usually we see news events come out at 5:30 in the morning before the opening bell, but this is coming on a half an hour after. And the ISM is a monthly report. That's a big deal. So I'm gonna put some videos in the back office, and it's gonna be on making like a dream board. You guys could do like a journal. Like, what do you want from trading this year? Somebody might say they want to pay off their house, pay off their mortgage. Some people say, they might want to stop working their career or job. They might want to buy out their job. Let's say if you're a plumber, you might want to buy a plumbing business with the trading. You might not want to stop working, but you might want to get to the next level of working. So you guys just make sure you do that in your journal or your dream board. I made mine. Let me see uh mine real quick. And this is mine right here. So in the middle, I got relationship with God. I want to baptize more people when they come to the Lord. I want to have a church that everybody puts in their hands together and helps out people. I wrote books last year, No More Bridges to Heaven, the foundations of faith in Jesus. I want to write more books. I have my nonprofit right here, Diamonds Unite. I want to do more work with that. Then I got right here on the bottom right, I got my dream lifestyle. I want to be a master at Forex trading even more, you know, start doing some luxury stuff. I want to sell this bot to a lot of people or different companies. I want to write some more books. I wrote this book last year, How to Master Forex. This is my family right here. And so I want to do stuff like this with my family. This is my mom, my dad,
Mhm.
best friend right here.
Well, he was on my bed.
Yeah, these are my kids. Then you gotta travel the world. I want to travel the world. These are the different places. Like I want to go to Egypt this year, Brazil, some places in Africa, Paris, Monaco, Israel. I want to see the Northern Lights. And then fitness and health. This is my fitness and health. I want to eat more vegetables.
Here he comes.
Uh, I love to do like snorkeling and stuff like that.
How you
And
feeling, honey?
helping others is down here. I want to help a lot of people. And these are the companies that I help people through the Beach Trader and Freedom Live Stream. So right on, you guys. Let's get it. I'm gonna go ahead and send you guys some links, and let's get back on it tomorrow. The market's gonna be better tomorrow. I could already feel it. So be ready tomorrow. Hopefully, you guys took that one trade that we took together, Euro JPY. It went all the way down here, and we were saying to get out. And I still like it right now where it's at. It's probably going to go back down. The jobs report is probably going to be good. And it should move a little bit more. Look at the US 30. It was way up here. It went down. Let's see what else is going on. Everything is kind of steady. We could have caught this right here, this SPX. When it hit this line right here, the bot told us to buy. It went straight up after that. But all in all, you know, the opening bell was good for the top stocks trades, but the market really didn't move more than just the stocks. That's all that happened. All right, we'll catch you guys tomorrow, and the market's going to be different. It'll probably be more consistent how we usually trade. It was just the opening day today, really, and so we didn't trade that high of a lots or anything like that. All right, God bless you guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.